SOFIA is a telescope inside of an airplane.
SOFIA is the Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy.
It's a 17-ton telescope in the back of a 747.
Heavily modified, some fantastic engineering.
The reason we want to fly in a 747 at high altitude is to get the data that we can't get on the ground at all.
SOFIA is a joint NASA DLR mission. DLR is our German partners, the German Space Agency, and their contribution is the telescope.
The goal is to learn more about the universe by looking back as far as we can to find our origins, to find how stars are formed.
To understand our cosmic origins, NASA astrophysics has 3 fundamental questions. How does the universe work? How did we get here? And are we alone? And different astrophysics missions will study these questions in a different way. SOFIA studies these questions using far infrared light.